Now, to answer this question, we simply substitute values for cos 36 and cos 72. And when we do that, we see that for cos 36, the value of cos 36 is simply square root of 5 plus 1 over 4. And that of cos 72 degrees is simply square root of 5 minus 1 over 4. So if you find the difference between cos 36 degrees and cos 72 degrees, you simply have 1 over 2. So the answer is B. So this type of questions, you don't need to be restricted to a particular method. But someone sent the question and puts a hint. I think the question is wrongly framed, because in the multiple choice question, you don't restrict the student to the method he can use, in as much as he's using the correct method. So this is the answer. Now, if you now want to use the trig identity, which is not necessary for a multiple choice question, so you can say cos A minus cos B is simply minus 2 sine A plus B over 2, then times sine A minus B over 2. So here we simply write cos 36 degrees minus cos 72 degrees as minus 2 sine, of course, A plus B, that would be 108 over 2. That's a 108 degrees over 2. So, and we have times sine A minus B, that would be minus 36 degrees over 2. So, this gives us minus 2 sine 54 degrees sine minus 18 degrees. So, the minus will multiply minus, so we have plus. So 2 sine 54 degrees, sine 54 degrees sine 18 degrees. So don't forget, sine 54 degrees and then cos 36 degrees will have the same value, because 54 degrees and 36 degrees are complementary angles. The same thing goes for 18 and 72. 2 times 2 into root 5 plus 1 over 4, then times, you have for sine 18 degrees, is the same thing as cos 72. They are complementary angles. So you have root 5 minus 1 over 4. So if you simplify this, you are going to have 1 over 2. So I have to warn again, this procedure is not necessary for a multiple choice question. It's a mere waste of time. It can only be used when you have an essay type questions where you need to produce your own response. Thank you.